Hey Ma, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with another hair tutorial. Today's video will be sponsored by Ilikehair, and as you guys can see, it is this beautiful kinky wig that is super flowy, super soft, and super natural looking. So if you want to see exactly how I got this look, then continue to watch. So as usual, I'm going to start off with an unboxing. I wanted to focus on the bag that the hair came in. It was amazing quality. You could definitely use this bag for anything that you want to use it for. So it also comes in with this little card that has instructions as to how you could earn money off of your next purchase. And also you're going to have a bunch of goodies, and this pin was super cute, so I wanted to make sure you guys saw that. Alright, so this particular wig is a 7x5 ventilated kinky edge closure wig. Unlike the traditional lace wigs, which tends to leave some obvious lace marks on the hairline, this particular lace wig is going to be an imitation of a real hairline, which is why it has more of a kinky edge to it. With this type of wig, you're not going to have any aggressive baby hairs or any concealing traditional lace holes. Basically, it's supposed to give you a carefree and effortless look. During this tutorial, I'm pretty much going to be focusing on the hairline. As you guys can see right here in this clip, the hairline is super natural looking. You don't have to do any plucking. Only thing I did do was bleach the knots and of course tint the lace to actually match my skin color. Just so you guys know, this 7x5 lace kinky edge closure wig, it is 18 inches. 100% human hair. It's super soft, by the way. I didn't have any shedding or any issues with the hair. The hair was beautiful. Also, this hair can be dyed and ironed. So I'm sure you guys saw earlier that this particular wig does have the elastic band, and it also has combs in it, 2 on the sides, and then you also have a comb in the back. So I did use the side combs in this wig, just so you guys know, being that it is a 7x5. That way I could get the wig as flat as possible before I use the adhesive spray. So per usual, I went in with my Eben adhesive spray, and I only did a little bit, and then I'm just massaging the lace in. Here's a close-up just to show you guys how natural this lace is looking without any type of makeup or anything like that. When your wig looks like this, before you actually do your makeup and stuff, this is how you know that it's going to be a really good install. So because this hairline is so natural and it's supposed to be effortless and carefree, the last thing that I want to do is use a ton of product to lay the wig down. So just to secure it a little bit more, I was just spraying some of that adhesive spray on my fingertips and just dabbing it on the edges just to make sure it's extra secure right before I cut off the additional lace. So I just went ahead and did that. So right now I'm cutting the lace into sections, and this just makes it easier for me to use my razor to cut off the additional lace. So as you guys saw, I did go in with my scissors really quick just to get any lace that I wasn't able to get with my razor. And right now I'm just going back in with my adhesive setting spray, and I'm actually just spraying it on the tail end of that comb and only dabbing it right on the edges, because sometimes when you cut off the additional lace, you'll have those little bitty pieces that still stick up. So just to make sure everything was laying flat, that is the method that I used. And that way I'm not using too much product, if that makes any sense. So once everything was pretty much dry, I went ahead and I did my makeup, and as you guys can see, the hair is looking beautiful. This is how it looks in its natural state, by the way. So right now I'm just playing around with it, seeing if I want a middle part, if I want a side part. I did end up deciding that I wanted to do a side part because, I don't know, it just looked really effortless. Like you guys see, I'm just swinging it back and forth. It was really cute, and the curls were just so soft that I was just like, I don't want to do anything to it, but just let it be it. So right now I'm going in with a spray bottle. I pretty much wet the hair. I did wet the edges as well because those baby hairs, they're curly as well. So I really wanted those to pop, make sure I have a natural hairline. I didn't use too much water on the edges though because I didn't want it to mess up, you know, all the hard work that I just did with the adhesive spray. So again, I'm just spraying the hair and I finger detangle and I did not use any product. You guys are going to see once it's finished that there was no product that I needed to use. I'm the type of person that doesn't really like to put too much product in their wig anyways. The most I would do is actually mousse. But with this particular wig and how the hair was just nice and flowy by itself, I decided that I didn't even want to go that route. So again, just water, I finger detangled, and that was pretty much it. So as you guys can see, the hair is beautiful. This has literally just become my favorite wig. So now I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in different lighting. This is me in my bathroom. So this is how the wig looks in the bathroom lighting. This is how the wig looks when I'm in just a regular room. Right here, I was actually in my dining room next to the window. So this is how it looks in just regular room lighting, natural lighting. Took you guys outside. This is how the wig looks when it's outside. Now here is when I realized I could have cut off just a little bit more lace, but that's okay. And this is how the hairline looks while I'm in the car. So this is car lighting. So I really hope you guys were able to enjoy this tutorial. The hair is super effortless and super cute, definitely worth it. I do have a discount code for you guys, so make sure you check out the description box for all the info. That'll be it for today. I love you guys and I will see you next time. Bye.